Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The last skincare routine video I uploaded didn't turn out so well, so I figured I would run it back another time. I am headed out for the day and just wanted to take you through my morning routine, and then when I return, I'll take you through my nighttime routine. Let's get started. All right, so first off, this is by the brand I'm from. This is the Mugwort gel cleanser. This has been a fan favorite. I'm gonna walk you through some of the features. It's a gentle cleanser that gets rid of dirt. It's rich in mugwort extract, which is known to keep the skin smooth and hydrated. This cleanser is infused with 60% mugwort extract and it's supposed to be super hydrating. That's been my experience. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my cleanse on. And it has this like jelly-like texture, which I really find I have to really work into my hands before I add any water. As you see, it lathers very nicely. Definitely smells like very earthy. It also kind of smells a little bit like taro milk tea. All right, I'm gonna wash this off. I always like to cleanse for at least a minute. Let's move on to the next. All right, next up is the Haru Haru Black Rice Hyaluronic Acid Toner. And it is just super hydrating. It has 100% fermented black rice extract. Anything fermented is good for the skin, good for the gut, and it is proven to improve the elasticity of the skin. I'm gonna go in with the Centella Probio-Cica Intense Ampoule. This is by Skin 104. Centella took me and my skincare routine by storm. This is also fermented and it is supposed to give like an intense soothing effect, which I definitely experience. Deep hydration, improving that skin barrier, definitely a staple in my routine. I also love these Biodance collagen gel toner pads. I just feel like it also just makes my skin feel super hydrated and supple. Probably should have started with this, but everything is like pretty much soaked in by now. Anyway, but yeah, just a little jelly. Next up is the Medicube pDRN Collagen Exosome Shot. This one feels like a cat's tongue. It has this really pretty pink texture as well. But yeah, it just feels like little prickly bits on the skin as you rub it in. But pDRN is supposed to be collagen inducing as well, just to really plump up that skin. Since my 32nd birthday, I've just really been focusing in on any products that are going to rebuild collagen. So this is a needle-free microneedling serum. This is the Exosome Shot 2000. They also have a 7500, but it is supposed to boost the collagen production in the skin and rejuvenate the skin as well. I've kind of got that glow going. I know y'all see that. One of my holy grails, this is the One Love Organics Skin Savior Multitasking Balm, and this is amazing. You can use it for a oil cleanser, or you can use it for a moisturizer like I will be. And I also pair it with the rosehip seed oil from The Ordinary. Another brand that I really love their rosehip seed oil is a brand called Pi Skincare. That oil is just not as accessible to me right now, but it is really amazing. But I just love the glow that this duo provides. What? You see that? Okay. And then lastly, we can't forget sunscreen. So this is by Tokobo, and it is a SPF 30. It is the Bio Watery Sunscreen. It is definitely super hydrating, and my only regret is that it's not a physical sunscreen, but This is one of the few chemical sunscreens that don't break me out. Oh, wow. And it just feels so moisturizing as well. All right, last but not least, put you on to some of my daytime eye routine. This is the Dr. Althea To Be Youthful eye cream. As you see, I'm kind of almost out of it. But I love starting my eye routine with a little bit of this. And then I've recently started using the e.l.f. Bright and Beautiful eye cream as well, just for a little bit of brightening under the eye as well. Yes, y'all, but look at this skin. I have been so impressed by this skincare routine. It has honestly yet to let me down. When I am like getting ready for work or something, I'll just fill in my eyebrows, maybe put on a little blush, but I've been getting so many compliments about my skin. Literally, I went to the dentist yesterday and my dental hygienist had on her like little microscope headset and she was like, wow, the skin, what pores, where are they? And this is definitely the routine that has got me there. I can't wait to walk you guys through my nighttime routine. I'll see you guys a little bit later.
Okay, teeth are brushed. I'm gonna go in with the Mugwort cleanser from this morning, and then we'll be ready to get into some nighttime products. Next, we're gonna go in with some toners. I have the Biodance Collagen pads and the Hararu Black Rice Hyaluronic Acid Toner. A little repeat from this morning, but hydration is a must. So let's do it. I'm gonna let this completely dry before I start with the next step. That feels dry. Now we're gonna go in with our retinol. First up will be this one from my dermatologist. This is the 0.025. It is the perfect strength for me, even though I feel like I could go up in strength, but we're gonna wait until I'm done with this container before we go up. I like to apply this on dry skin because if the skin is wet at all, it's gonna cause a negative reaction. So I'm gonna show you how much I put on. You just need a dime size amount. I couple it with this hormonal acne gel, also from my dermatologist, that has niacinamide, spironolactone, and a little bit more of the tretinoin, but this is really good for any hormonal acne breakouts. I usually take about this amount. This is both gels, and I'll mix them together and tap them on my face and rub it in. Been super self-conscious about my under eyes, so I've been using this under eye retinol by Anua. It is a 0.1 retinol plus caffeine. I'm gonna put that under my eyes and also on my neck. I'm gonna go in my Dr. Althea 345 Barrier Relief Cream and Hex Skin Sculpting Face Cream. I've been super into any products at nighttime skin.